In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see PayPal fees. If you want to know exactly how much PayPal will charge before you confirm a transaction, the good news is that PayPal usually shows the fee as part of the total deduction during the review stage. That means you can check the cost first and then decide whether you want to continue or not. To see this in action, you can start by opening PayPal and going to the area where you normally send money. On the main screen, click Send and Request. This is the section where you can either send money to someone or ask for a payment, and it's the starting point for previewing the fee. Once you're there, go to the Send tab. This makes sure you're in the correct part of the process since you want to send money rather than request it. If you're using the mobile app or the website, the layout may look slightly different, but the options should be very similar. Next, select a contact you want to send money to. After that, enter the amount you plan to send, and then click Next. At this point, you're not committing to the payment yet. You're simply moving forward to the preview or confirmation screen, which is where the fee details usually appear. On the next screen, PayPal will show you the fee based on the amount you want to send. This is the key part. You'll be able to see how much the transaction fee is and how it affects the total amount that will be deducted. In other words, instead of guessing or calculating it on your own, you can review the exact cost directly inside PayPal before confirming anything. This is especially useful if you want to compare amounts, double-check the total, or make sure the fee is acceptable before you send the payment. If you decide not to go through with it, you can simply back out at this stage without completing the transaction. So anytime you want to check PayPal fees before sending money, just begin a payment, go to Send and Request, choose the Send tab, pick a contact, enter the amount, and move to the next screen to preview the fee. And that's it. That's how to see PayPal fees before you confirm a transaction.